You may think your house is clean, but sometimes there's more than meets the eye. I'm talking about hidden germ collectors. MicroGold All-Purpose Cleaner kills 99.9% of common household bacteria and the cold and flu viruses. It's ideal for cleaning and disinfecting any hard, non-porous surface, like sinks, appliances, even walls and floors. MicroGold Multi-Action Disinfectant Antimicrobial Spray is so powerful, it's been proven to kill the COVID-19 virus. It contains a disinfectant and a Si-Quat antimicrobial that bonds to surfaces. As you can see, there are a number of areas throughout your home that could use further inspection, and MicroGold cleaning solutions are a great first line of defense.